Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some custard. Alright, baked custard. Alright, I have 8 eggs. Alright, 8 eggs. I have half cup of white sugar, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I have 2 cans of evaporated milk. I will be using some nutmeg, clove, and some essence, some lemon zest. I will be using some custard powder, and this is optional, just 1 tablespoon. Okay, and these are the bowls that I'm going to be using to place it when I finish mixing everything together again. And also some cinnamon powder. Here I have some cinnamon powder also. Alright, so let me get started. First I'm going to add, this is half cup of white sugar. Right. So this is 1 cup full of the mixed essence. Alright, I'm gonna grate the lemon zest. As we all know that egg is a very rank stuff. Alright, so I wouldn't be baking this one, for matter of fact. I'm gonna.
Of course, it's an insult because for someone to get a little couple flakes of bolts, as we call it, when you boil up in the cortina, you squeeze it and you have the chachi. Just a perception of chachi. And please, folks, don't ask me to explain chachi. But this guy barely got a couple of bolts that wouldn't even qualify for a P-Rap. A little bench in Parliament, much less a seat. But what makes it?
All right.
Let me ask you, that's a good.
What I was supposed to do is show you guys that I'm going to be caramelizing some sugar first before I start the process. Alright, so I'm going to add half cup of sugar into this saucepan here. Alright, and I'm going to just use just a teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of water. Alright, when it started to, so you see it started to get a little change in the color a little bit. I put 3 tablespoons of water in here, and remember now it has to boil in order to change the color. Alright, and you have to keep watching at it and stir it. You guys can see the color changing. Changing color. turn it down a little low. So now it get brown. So I'm gonna put after I finish caramelizing, I place it into this bowl. I'm going to start by blending my thing. Oh God, this thing didn't even stick in properly. Jeez. This is so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the custard powder. I'm going to add to the 2 cans of milk. I'm going to add the condensed milk. And then I'm going to whip. Alright. I'm going to pour this inside of this right. I'm not going to fill it. Everything that they use for this ingredient, for this custard, will be listed in the description bar below. All right. So now the oven is hotting, and I'm going to put this in a pan of water. All right, and let it bake for an hour. now I'm gonna place it in the oven. And remember, before you pour this into here, I forgot that I had to strain it. So I had to throw it all out and strain it. Alright? Because you don't want any lumps or anything. You want it to be smooth. Stay tuned. So this is it. When it's finished baking, now it's still hot. Alright? So I have to take it out of the water because I'm telling you guys, in order to bake the custard in liquid in water, it takes a bit longer than when you just put it into the oven just like that. So it takes about 2 hours in order for this to complete and to get to the consistency that I'm looking for. All right, hard, it mustn't be shaky, it must be firm. All right, so I'm gonna put this to cool. All right, I still have another portion in the oven that still need to get some more baking, and as I said to you, it's in the liquid in the water and takes a bit longer than expected. So stay tuned. All right, yes, so now it's cold. I put some cold water into this pan so that it will cool off a bit faster, and I take the spatula and go around the edges so that it could come out a bit easy. All right, so this is it. All right, and I can cut it. Yep. Ooh. Boy, how I love this. Oh my God. See this?
What's that?
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. For any question, feel free to ask. And as I mentioned early in the video, that I will be listing everything that I use into this this video. Everything that I use will be listed in the description bar down below. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to be safe out there, wear a mask, wash your hands, stay safe. Okay, love you, see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.